Say hi, Murph.
Hi, Murph.
Yeah, that's hi, Murph. Hey everybody, this is Bobby with Reaper Manufacturing, and today we're going to be putting together the 20-ton shop press from Harbor Freight. But I've got a modification for it. Instead of using the manual jack that comes with it, I picked up the 20-ton air over hydraulic jack. So stick around, we'll get this thing put together and see what it can do. So here's everything opened up and unwrapped and everything. Once I get going along and it's time to install the manual jack, I'm just going to unpackage the new jack, the air over hydraulic one, and put it in its place. So the press is all done. I've got some minor adjustments to make because it's not quite square, but I'll worry about that later. The only other thing I have to do is I got some casters for it that I'm going to install later. I ran out of time tonight, but that's all put together with the air jack modification. I'm sure I'll make other modifications to it too. I've seen a bunch on YouTube, but I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. I will also have this in operation and another review as I get to use it for a longer period of time. So appreciate you guys and have a good night.